What's up? A couple of you guys have asked me to show you the damage the kangaroo did. Yeah, she's shot. A few $100 though. We'll get a new bull bar put on there. It is what it is. So today we're ducking off to Go Turf. It's on the Sunshine Coast, just around the corner actually. Gonna go strap some GoPros to things and get some drone footage. So I reckon we'll first grab a cup of coffee, because my sister works at a coffee shop, so we got to call in there, say get the discount. Otherwise we'll just go down the road to the cafe, support the locals. Anyway, let's go do that and stay tuned. Oh, that's hot. Ow. That's hot. Whew. There goes me hat. Tell you what, it's blowing a gale out here. If you haven't noticed, that's Mount Tibrogargan behind me. We're in Glasshouse Mountains at Go Turf. Out here to get a bit of GoPro footage and fly some drones. We'll be strapping these things up underneath places and getting them in some fancy little spot. Anyway, hope you enjoy. that's it for today, guys. So remember, hit that bell icon. If you like and subscribe, to check out Btasker Images on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you again soon. I hope you've enjoyed. See ya. Cracker of a day. I am gonna get absolutely soaked. Yeah, that's refreshing.